Why don't you introduce yourself and your car to the viewers?
Hey guys, my name's Kyle and this is my 2024 Civic Si.
Tell us why you chose the SI and then just your journey with cars.
Okay, well, the reason why I got this car is because, you know, it's a Honda, it's good on gas, and it's stick. I've always wanted to drive stick. I told myself the next car I get, it has to be manual. So I was lucky enough to get a good deal on this car. And my journey with cars, ever since I was little, I've always like dabbled a little bit. My dad, he used to race cars, and my cousin, that's when I started getting a little more into JDMs. My cousin, he has 3 S14s. They don't run at all. Yeah.
So let's do a quick breakdown of the specs of your SI and then also just your future plans.
The paint is black pearl, or whatever, you could look it up. It's 200
okay,
horsepower.
Yeah.
192 pounds of torque. So it ain't gonna gap anything, but it's fun to drive. I like it.
Okay.
My plans are, I have a Yofer kit on.
Yeah, you can see that right there.
Yeah. Bone stock, no coils, no nothing. But I plan on getting coils to drop it an inch or two, and I want triple chrome. You know, gotta get that blacked out look. The little ricey boy, yeah.
Do you have any idea of which wheels you'd like to get?
I was looking at Meisters, or call them Meisters, you know, S1s, yeah.
That's
but
clean.
I don't know yet. It's 3-piece probably, like if it fits.
I think it should.
It should.
As long as you custom spec it, I'm sure it could fit, but I don't know about like the standard specs. But also, were you planning to do any power mods or tuning it or anything like that?
Oh, I was for sure like a PRL intake. Okay. You know, I think every newer Honda person has that.
Yep.
And maybe an exhaust. I still don't know which one because there's a lot of them, and a lot of them have drone. Like that comes with the Honda though, right? Yeah. So I don't know, but that's probably in like a year or maybe sooner.
A tune maybe is out of the question, or
I'm still debating because everyone says, oh, you just big turbo it, but might as well get a Type R, right?
Low-key. Why don't you tell us your ownership experience so far and like how long you've had it, and if it's like exceeded or met your expectations?
Okay, well, I've had this car for about 10 months or 10 to 11.
Okay. Yeah,
it's fairly new. So far, I liked it. Just one thing I don't like is the rev hang.
Okay.
Like when I downshift, try to have some fun, right? But it goes from here and just stays there. It's kind of crazy. But other than that, it's fun. I like the auto rev match. You know, you could be lazy like most of the time, right? Yeah, and I love this car because when you're about to stall, it helps you out a lot.
Really?
Yeah, like when I was first driving it, I couldn't feel the bite point at all, and I would like borderline stall, but it like jerks a little. You have enough time to get situated. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know that these had
easy to drive.
I didn't know they had the auto rev match in this one.
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay,
like
nice.
I was trying to teach my other friend to drive in it because it's so easy to drive.
So Kyle's SI is actually the only one I know for the 11 Gen SI. So I was excited when he told me that he was down to do a video. Like he was saying, it's fairly stock. He has the Yofer kit, and that's about it for now. But he is gonna plan to lower it on some coils, maybe get some Meisters, and get the chrome on black look, which I think will look really good. But yeah, this is the first 11 Gen SI that I've been around. They're not too common, at least like from what I've seen. I don't see them out in the wild too much. And yeah, I'm excited to see how it kind of like performs stock. I haven't been in the 10th or 11th Gen SI in a while, so it's gonna be kind of like refreshing to be back in like a turboed SI. But yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna get a quick little exhaust clip. I know it might be quiet, but we're gonna get the exhaust clip, and then we're gonna do some driving, and that should close out the video. A lot of people are gonna buy this car to have a sporty daily. So how do you how has it been treating you as a daily so far, like commuting, like MPG and all that?
It's pretty good.
Okay.
Like right now my average is 26 MPG, but before it used to be like 36 to 40.
What?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Wait, hold on. How were you getting 36 to 40? Now you're at 26.
Well, I've been like having a little more fun, I guess.
Okay, okay.
But because when you drive freeway, you can get it to like 40.
Okay.
On a good day, 44.
Yeah. Okay.
I think my best was 45.
Damn.
I was like once, but most of the time it's like 30, 36. Even on streets I get 32, but lately I just been flooring it a lot. Yeah. So
but as a daily, it's a pretty good one.
yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Like the clutch is so light, you can sit in traffic. Like I used to sit in traffic all the time with this, and my leg doesn't hurt, my calf doesn't hurt at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Yeah, and then here's like the shift knob, and dude, it looks like it's in gear even when it's in neutral. That threw me off when I first got in the car. But
yeah, if you take it off, it has like a crazy.
It has a crazy angle.
Yeah.
That's weird.
It's insane.
Yeah, that's pretty weird. But let's go on this drive. This is my first time in an 11 Gen Si, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It does kind of look very similar to like the older gens, like even like the 9th Gen Si has like this kind of like contrast in the door, like upholstery, I would say. But yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty modern.
Heated seats.
No heated seats?
No heated seats though. The newest one, the 2025,
okay,
has heated seats. It has that little.
Really?
Well, it's on the Type R, but like it flashes.
Oh, like
yeah.
for the RPM?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I guess they didn't put heated seats in this car, but you don't really need that. It's in we're in California.
Yeah. It's hot right now, so yeah.
It's super hot. Yeah. Talking about the turbos for the SI and the Type R. So why don't you give us a little bit more background on the reliability of those things?
Alright, so after I bought this car and I started hanging out with like other car people, they're like, bro, you know this car has a glass trans? And I'm like, huh? And they also told me that the turbos can blow just like the Type R's. So I have turbo insurance, which is crazy. You could buy that at the dealership.
What the heck?
Yeah.
And he was telling me it's 5 years. That's crazy, man.
Yeah. Well, I bought like the upgraded.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I bought like the upgraded package,
insurance,
I guess.
okay.
Yeah. But after warranty is done, I'm gonna do like performance tune it, because the rev hang is insane.
It's pretty significant. Every single shift there's some rev hang.
Yeah, you gotta wait 20 years just to downshift or even shift in general, man.
Kyle handed me the keys. He said, why don't you drive the car? So just get familiarized with like the gearbox.
Yeah, the gears are really short.
They are. What the heck?
Spacing wise, yeah.
Yeah, well. So this is my first time driving an 11 Gen Si. I'm getting used to the clutch engagement. Okay, a little smoother, right, than what we were doing before? Oh, I forgot it has rev match, because like I'm trying to heel toe right now. In the Birkenstocks, it's not the greatest. Yeah, I'm trying to rev match in the Birkins. Oh, hey, look, the other Kyle. It's looking good, rolling. Oh, he got this. Let me get his ass. Nah, but anyways, thanks again for letting me drive and also coming to film.
Yeah, it was
really fun. It's like a nice car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I was still like surprised.
Surprised about what? Like that I asked
Yeah,
to
like
film?
bro hit me up. I was like,
Bro,
crazy.
nah, dude, trust me, dog. You're good.
I'm driving a hybrid.
Nah, you're crazy. Alright, let's go back to grid. Dude, I'm like trying to do the like heel toe and shit, but it's auto rev matching, so I'll chill out. But anyways, I do really like this car. Oh my gosh, we keep missing those opportunities. But yeah, it's really easy to drive. So none of the SIs are hard to drive. The clutch is really light. The only thing that's kind of weird about this car is the bite point, like he was saying earlier, is kind of strange. It's almost like not noticeable, but other than that, the car is really friendly in terms of like not stalling immediately. Also, shout out to his dog. That's your dog?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, shout out to his dog.